Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 22nd of June. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own shots, and I'm not here to review trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, okay, looking at Bitcoin, we are still rallying a bit here. I'm still wondering whether we're seeing an ABC, with this being A, this being B, and C. Bitcoin is back over the daily middle band, which was struggling to get back over last week. But this is, given that the daily middle band obviously has been coming down, this is the largest break we've seen above it. So in terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. But again, I'm wondering about that ABC. But we didn't see as much progress towards the previous high on Bitcoin as we saw on, let's say, Solana over the weekend. But this is the original flag, and could see a retest to the high here. It wouldn't really be a double top, I don't think. Well, arguably, I think it's just about in range if we do see that. Equally, we could go a little higher. In terms of Solana, Solana has done better. We were basically holding the daily middle band as support, and it's pulled away from that. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence there either. But again, I'm wondering about ABC. On the smaller picture, we have a very nice looking little IHS here that's got a main target, basically a retest of this high here at 76.04, and an extension target in the 77 area. And at the moment, I'm not seeing anything to suggest that won't reach target. Ethereum, again, rallying a bit on the daily chart. That basically was holding the daily middle band of support and is pulling away from that now. No divergence on the hourly chart, and again, I'm wondering about ABC. But Solana was the one which did some damage to the upside over the weekend. Bitcoin and Ethereum were a lot more muted. So are we looking at a pattern here? Nothing obviously clear. I could show you a potential inverted head and shoulders here, but I wouldn't have a huge amount of confidence in it. But I think the obvious next target is to retest 1848, and I'm thinking we may well see that. Would that be a bit oversized for a double top? Yes. Still, I've seen ones like that make target. We shall see. That's where we are, and we shall see how it goes. All right, great. Yeah, it was great, Doug. Yeah, it was great. It was nice. A bit of a heat wave here, so I have to say sleeping is a little more difficult than it was, and will be for a couple of weeks. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Cheers.